Hello everyone, this is Jamek King. Long time no see. Actually, I moved my lab and studio to a new location. So I was very busy. Actually, I stay in a very kind of temporary house, very small and very noisy in downtown. But actually, I was very new home, new house, and very quiet, very large, and very good. But anyway, let's today I will explain about web latencies. Actually, web component latency. Mhm. This is first time and about the latency series. And first time I explained about TCP ping, and second time TWAMP, a kind of network delay like a protocol. And last time I explained about Cisco IPSLA, and I did make a kind of dashboard using InfluxDB or Elasticsearch. But anyway, it's more the same. But anyway, and this time I will explain about HAR. But actually, 3 or 4 years ago, when I deployed the SDA, when I support the SDA project, the ISA, Cisco ISA web page was very slow, and Cisco Tech requested a kind of screenshot with this one. Oh, this is very awesome. So it shows every component and about time, and even there was a waterfall chart. So I was very shocked. Oh my God, what is that? Then I became a fan of this kind of uh, this kind of function. So this is called HAR, the HTTP archive format from the Wikipedia. It's a James formatted archive file format for logging of every web browser component. I will show you. Okay, go to Chrome and go to here and click more tools and developer tools, and there will be a screen like that, and go to network and then visit any site, Google, and then it shows every component of a website. Also, it shows about waterfall chart. It chart shows about the delays. It shows about like that, about 102 millisecond to connect to the website, and 8 milliseconds for downloading that component. If you like to see this one, oh my God, you can see the name. This is PNG file. It's very long time to get it, 80 milliseconds and 10 milliseconds to get it. You can export it as a HAR file. Also, you can import the file. Let's see the file inside. Actually, here, if you see the file, it's JSON formatted file, as you see. And if you go there, every component shows about timing. So there is a wait, connect, and receive time is over there. So it's very beautiful function. So when you just say it's slow, you can collect the HAR file, then later you can analysis, and then you know what is the problem. Actually, when network is okay, your ping is okay, but web is slow, you can get it. Then you can analysis. All right. So if you see the the component, I will explain about the meaning. The receive is a kind of queuing, I think. So receive, no. Connect is a kind of queuing time. So receive is, as you the wait is, wait is like a network delay from first package sent and until you will get the packet. So content download is, yeah, download time, very simple. Receive. So today I will focus about the wait, receive, connect. Three things actually. Uh, to get the HAR file is a little bit hard for me actually. Uh, First time I did use browser map proxy, BMP. It did work, and there are pretty samples, sample files, sample code, so it was pretty easy. Actually, it's very hard. But anyway, I cannot trust the BMP the result. I think the result is a little bit different from real the Chrome browser. So I searched the website and I came to know Selenium Wire. Selenium Wire extends Selenium Python binding to give you access underline request made by browser, and you can get the HAR file with this one. But BMP and Selenium both uses Selenium. Selenium is a kind of the automated tool about the web browsing job. Yeah. So actually, maybe 5 years ago, one of the customer requested the job automation, the login to the specific the web page, then login and to blah 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 blah. At the time, a friend of mine, a friend of mine did it using some API, but there was some jobs that API can't. So at the time, I did use Selenium. So using Selenium, I log in and I did click some menus, then did blah 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 blah. So anyway, Selenium is very nice too. Okay, I will show you about demo about my code. When I run my code, it asks about the URL to connect. And I put it. It take like some minute, not some second. Then it shows about the almost same result with Google that tools. It's very similar with the Cisco thousand eye tools. I hope so. As you see, there are components. Each component is listed here, and the status and domain and time, time total, and connect time, wait time, download time is here. Then you can see each component. The gray is the connect time, the green is wait time, and blue is the download time. Each column is 200 millisec. Then if we like decrease the screen size, we can know, oh, this is problem. This one. This one at the wait time. Wait time is the time until to get the first receive the result. Time is too long. But here is Korea, and I did connect the UK, so it take a long time maybe. So we can know what is problem with this one. Usually network delay, green one is usually problems. All right. So code is very simple. Actually, not simple. I'm not like a Python expert. I'm not a programmer. I'm not a developer. I'm just a network guy. So for me, it was a very big challenge 2 months ago. Actually, when I start the code, as you see, I have to input some URL, then it get the HAR file and it's saved, and read again, then extract some the time component from every each items about connect and wait time and receive time. And I make a HTML file. Actually, HTML file is made with three files. There are frame file, then left frame and right frame. So three HTML files is made. And finally, call web browser to open the HTML file. That's it. And you see the demo already. So let's do code review. Code is very simple. Requirement is first get the Chrome driver and using the PIP Selenium wire you have to install it. Then, alright, when you run the code, let's make some pound. I have to input. Then this is option for the Selenium, and here as you see, it runs on the CentOS without any graphical things and silently, so headless. So no graphic screen is needed, and there are some Selenium wire options over there, and we get the file and we save the HAR files. And UX time is used because it's very hard to calculate time. So after converting the UX time, it's very easy to calculate time. So read the file again, then load JSON and make HTML files here, and here HTML files again. Then here, all right. So each component time is extracted, then time, and then after extracted, the table was made. Actually, this is each line is each table. So using the color and the table width, I make this graph. It's kind of trick, secret. And then I close the file, then call the web browser. Actually, it's very simple code, but for me, 2 months ago, when it's a winter in Korea, I spent a lot of time because I'm not expert and there is a few examples on the website using the BMP and using Selenium wire. So I spent a lot of time. I mean, I spent this course take a lot of time these days. Actually, most the longest time I spent, I think. But anyway, so consideration is uh, the test tool must have the exact result. It should be reliable. Trust. You have to trust that tools, but I'm not sure about that because uh, this Selenium wire result will be really same with the real Chrome browser. I don't know, but the tendency trend is same, I think. And next time, I will do four things. I will convert this to exe file for Windows PC. Usually, the people use the Windows PCs, so I will convert to exe file, and I will run this code in the remote PC and automatically collect the result. And I tried to install this one to Catalyst. Actually, I did try it using the Catalyst guest shell, but I failed because the storage is short. So with the SSD, the switch can get the SSD. It's very weird, but this is 21st century. Anyway, the Docker container, I will make it a CentOS Docker container, then convert this code and we'll run this code on Catalyst. I will also try at the Nexus guest shell. Actually, Next has more the storage and RAM and the CPU power, so I think it will be work. And if I have a time, I will try to install in the Cisco router ISR 4000 series. So anyway, so I moved to new home and I arranged every my things, usually cables, UTP fiber and power cables, and there are too many home routers in my home. I don't know why, but anyway, new home, new because to relocation, I have no time to record the YouTube sessions. But anyway, from now on, every month I will upload one or two things as like a user. Thank you.